Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Jason Videjos and I will briefly discuss to you what the function dec.index is. So, dec stands for double-ended queue. Decs are sequence containers with dynamic sizes that can be expanded or contracted on both ends. They provide a functionality similar to vectors, but with efficient insertion and deletion of elements at the beginning of the sequence. But unlike vectors, decs are not guaranteed to store all its elements in continuous storage locations, and accessing elements in a dec by offsetting a pointer to another element causes undefined behavior. So the library requirement for the dec function is number sign include dec, and the syntax declaration for the dec function is dq.index. Specific libraries may implement decs in different ways, generally as some form of dynamic array, but in any case, they allow for the individual access iterators with storage handled automatically by expanding and contracting the container as needed. So for a sample, here is my sample program number 1. This is the library requirement, which is the number sign include dec. And to start with, this is the array that I declared. It has 5 elements and each element has a value of 2.3. So I wanted to change the value of element 3 to be 100. And to do that, we need the dec function, which is dq.add. Here is the element and equate it to 100. As you can see from the sample output, the third element is 100. Next is still the same algorithm as the first sample program, but I just changed the element, or rather the value of each element, to be 8.1. But this time I wanted to change the value of element 2 to 3. And to do that, again, we need the dec function, which is dq.add the element and equate it to whatever number or value you like. So as we count, 0, 1, 2, and the value of element 2 is 3. So in simpler terms, what the dec function does is it replaces the current value of what you declared to be an array, and it replaces it with the value you like. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed what you seen, and thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and bye.